Every year that goes by, I feel like I'm getting older. See, when you get to a certain age, you start making really inane statements like that one. It's called senility. But my point is that I remember when Polaroid made some pretty cutting-edge camera tech, and now, through a horrible mismanagement of their product direction and brand, they're using their license and branding to resell crappy audio equipment they found on Alibaba. The worst part is, I'm about 99% confident that you can get this stuff on AliExpress for less than what I paid for these. But let's see if there's anything worthwhile inside these boxes, starting with the Active Fit True Wireless Earbuds, a product name that's, well, I suppose it could be more generic. As you can see, there's not much actually in the box, but they did give you the courtesy of 2 quick start guides I'd wager are riddled with typos if I were a betting man. This cable is still micro B, which is a bummer, but at least it's thin and crappy enough to burn itself out of existence if you even look at it with too much current. I would describe the case for the headphones as surprisingly robust for $15, and the color isn't even terrible. The good feelings do not carry to the inside, however, where the actual earbuds feel, well, as cheap as they were. And, wait, hang on, that's it? There's really no other silicone ear tips in here? Frickin' Polaroid. Yes, I know it's probably not really their fault directly, but they put their name on the box, so I'm gonna blame them. Now for the Jewel Audio wireless speaker. I feel like it's worth mentioning that this was on the shelf next to a generically branded Chinese speaker that was exactly this product at the same price, just in case anyone had any illusions left about the value of Polaroid's brand at this point. And maybe not surprisingly, there's even less in here than the earbuds. The cable is similarly pants-crappingly fire-adjacent as the first package, but at least it's longer, and therefore more susceptible to heat concerns this time. There's also only one quick start guide. I guess they figure you probably know how to use a Bluetooth speaker by now. It's not 2008 anymore. The speaker itself is hilariously light, even for only being $8, and I'm gonna call it right now as having the audio quality to match. In short, these are cheap products, cheaply made, and cheaply branded. If you want a review of these things, like the video or comment, but I can't imagine that the performance will restore any of my faith in Polaroid's brand.